Alright everybody, here is the latest update on Save Jimmy. Here she is with her babies. I just gave them some peaches and some pretzels with lots of seeds on them, and cucumbers and plums, all sorts of, a few of everything that kind of didn't make it through our vacation. And here she is, showing the ladies how it's done, showing the babies. So when you see her, those of you who are not familiar with chickens, when you see her kicking her feet back like that, she's the one right, oh, that didn't help, right in the middle of the pack there. When you see her kicking her feet back, that is her showing the babies how to scratch. So, yep, there she just did it again. And she's kind of teaching them, and they mirror her. So one of the cutest things, and I'm going to try and get it on video at some point, is they kind of like ride her back sometimes around the yard. Like she'll just be like walking around and one will just jump on her back, which is pretty cute. So babies are doing great. Jimmy's doing great. They're talking, they're squawking. And this is them out of the coop, so they're really out exploring a lot. Whoop, Jimmy got real protective there. She doesn't like when anybody goes near the babies. So this is our side yard that we use for the chickens. Lots of space for them, lots of greenery. The coop is back there. So they've strayed pretty far so far. So that's the latest update. Doing well.